Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Maruf Khan Munna with you. Welcome to Banglaview Weekly English News. Here's the headlines. Third convocation of SAST in this December. Preparation are afoot for holding the convocation successfully. Imran Ahmad appointed as full minister. He took oath at 13 July. Woods of Hazrat Shah Jalal Rahmatullah Alaihi will begin at Tuesday. The program would be ended on early Wednesday morning. Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina reaches London. She is expected to return home on August 5. Moderate earthquake felt in Sylhet on Saturday. There was no immediate report of casualties. There are the headlines of the top stories. Now on to brief. Third convocation of SAST in this December. Preparation are afoot for holding the convocation successfully. He said that the third convocation of SAST will be held on this December, but the final date will be selected after approved by the Chancellor, President of Bangladesh, Mr. Abdul Hamid. An organizing committee of 18 members has been formed, headed by the Honorable BC of SAST, Professor Fariduddin Ahmed, to conduct the convocation program successfully. The first convocation of SAST was held on 29 April 1998 and the second convocation held on 6 December 2007. Recently, the University Authority took the decision to arrange the third convocation of the university. In the last academic council meeting, this decision is taken. Imran Ahmad appointed as full minister. He took oath at 13 July. State Minister Imran Ahmad, who was promoted to full minister, and newly appointed State Minister Fazilatun Nisa Indira took oath of office at 13 July Saturday. President Mr. Abdul Hamid administered the oath to them at the Darbar Hall of Bangabhavan in the evening. Cabinet Secretary Muhammad Shafiul Alam conducted the oath-taking ceremony. At the end of the oath-taking ceremony, the President and the Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina exchanged greetings with the new minister and the State Minister. On Thursday, 11th July, the government elevated State Minister for Expatriates, Welfare and Overseas Employment Imran Ahmad to full minister, while Fazilatun Nisa was made State Minister for Women and Children's Affairs. Woods of Hazrat Shah Jalal Rahmatullah Alaihi will begin at Tuesday. The program would be ended on early Wednesday morning. The two-day program will start through placing of decorated cover known as gilab on the grave of the saint. Hazrat Shah Jalal died on 19 Dilqad in year of 1346 of the Arabic calendar, and a two-day annual oath is taken place on 19th and 20th day of Dilqad. In every year, thousands of devotees, both Muslim and Hindus, from across the country join the two-day holy congregation. The occasion starts with placing of gilaf cover on the Mazar grave of the great saint in presence of large number of people. Samun Mahmud Khan, Khadim of Mazar, said preparations are taken for holding the oath successfully. He added, other programs include Quran Khani, Milad Mahfil and Zikir Azkar prayers. The program concludes through Akhiri Munajat and distribution of alms at 3 am on the second day of the oath. The SMP Deputy Commissioner Jadan Al-Musad told Sylhet Metropolitan Police have taken additional initiatives to ensure security of the visitors and contain law and order in around the shrine in the city during the program. Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina reaches London. She is expected to return home on August 5. Bangladesh High Commissioner in London, Sayyida Muna Tasnim, received the Prime Minister at the airport. During the visit, the Prime Minister will attend a conference of Bangladesh envoys in Europe in the British capital today. Prime Minister's Press Secretary Ahsan Al-Karim confirmed that. At the advice of Bangladeshi physicians, he said the Prime Minister will also receive eye treatment in London. The Prime Minister is expected to return home on 5 August, the Press Secretary added. Moderate earthquake felt in Sylhet on Saturday. There was no immediate report of casualties. The earthquake was felt at 3:20 p.m. Bangladesh time, according to a press release issued by the Bangladesh Meteorological Department. The epicenter of the 5.5 magnitude earthquake was near Arunachal Pradesh in India, said Nizamuddin Ahmed, professional assistant of the Met Office. The distance of the epicenter was 499 km northeast from the Dhaka seismic center and 325 km from the Sylhet, the official said. However, there was no immediate report of casualties or damage. And that's the end from me. Have a nice day ahead. Thanks for being with us.